Hey, want to live like royalty for a day? Welcome to the Redstone Regency Hotel Pvt, Limited, where luxury meets comfort. Follow me as we explore the ultimate staycation destination that's making waves. Step into a world of elegance and opulence. From the moment you enter, the Redstone Regency Hotel Pvt, Limited takes your breath away with its breathtaking architecture and lavish decor. And speaking of breathtaking, just look at these rooms. From panoramic city views to plush, comfortable beds, this is where your dreams come true. Imagine waking up to this every morning. Now let's talk about the food. Redstone Regency Hotel Pvt, Limited is a culinary paradise. From world-class dining to delightful room service, every meal here is an experience worth savoring. So, what are you waiting for? Come be a part of the Redstone Regency Hotel Pvt. Limited magic. Follow, like, and share if you're ready to live your best life. Book your dream vacation today with Book and Fly Tours and get exclusive deals.